Got a Honda GX270 pressure washer. Got the carb off. Oops. Wow, dude, that is pretty gross. The carb's full of gas. Guess that's a good sign. But yeah, I'm gonna get it taken out apart, cleaned out, and see what we're working with. Got the carburetor busted down. Pretty gross. Shoot it real good with some carburetor cleaner. And got the carb cleaned up best I could, man. Shit was really nasty in there. It's really gross. So it's really nasty. So I'm gonna put it back on and hopefully this will work. Alright, I got the pull cord on there. Put it on there. Gonna see what's good.